Hey guys, in this video, we are going to show you how to remove Steam market restrictions. If you are unable to trade or sell items on the Steam market, it is usually because of security restrictions that protect your account. These restrictions are often temporary and can be lifted by enabling Steam Guard Mobile Authenticator and confirming your identity. Here's how to remove Steam market restrictions. First, open the Steam app on your mobile phone. In the bottom right corner, tap on the 3 horizontal rows. Now, select the Steam Guard option. You can scan a QR code to protect your account. After that, hit the Add Authenticator button. Enter the verification code sent to your provided email. You can also scan the Steam QR code to sign in to your account. In the bottom left side, it will show you the Show Steam Guard Code button. Then, tap on it and it will show you the security note. You should only need to enter a code if your phone does not have internet access. Never give your code to another user or website. Here, tap on the gear icon shown at the bottom. In the drop-down menu, select the security settings. Hit the toggle button to enable the biometric authentication. Lastly, choose the On Steam Guard and confirmation in the Require area to remove Steam market restrictions. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.